Hi guys, welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2019 Terry Classic V22. I did the V21 a long time ago and everybody loved it, and this was their new model. Everybody keeps asking me to do another one, so I am updating one here for the V22 to give you an idea on this one. This is a throwback to the old retro look on the outside, but still has a more modern look on the inside. You have a power tongue jack on the front. Does have the light with the manual override. Got your standard safety chains, 7-way Bargman plug, 2 5/16 hitch ball, 20-pound propane tanks with the hard bottle cover. One deep cycle interstate battery comes with it with the box from Couch's RV Nation if that's where you purchase. There's room for 2. Got a lower diamond plate metal across the front. The camper here has the optional red striping, but you can also get the charcoal striping too. So 2 different outside colors available. Got a really nice window on the front. That is not a normal glass. It's a shatter resistant style glass. Talk with the dealer about some more details on that, but it's a different type of window material. It has LED lights up here in the overhang. You've got LED running lights up top. You have the larger 3-inch gutter extensions with gutters running down both sides of the camper. Has a heavy-duty scissor jack on each corner. Your furnace exhaust down there. Power awning. Has the LED light strip built in to the tube down here. And you also have a manual way to crank it in here on this headpiece in case of power failure. That's an important feature. The awning arm is also collapsible here. You just basically pull down and make it tilt. So that's something that you can do if you want. You have electric outlet down here, single axle, aluminum wheel, frameless window, 2 outside speakers here. Got a nice entry door here, window in the door. Another really nice feature now on the Heartland product, 3-year limited structural warranty. Nice bonus over earlier versions. Double entrance step going into the camper. Four-inch square tube bumper. LED taillights back here. Storage. Does have the enclosed underbelly. Spare tire with cover. License plate holder there. Power cord pulls out here on the rear. Cable and satellite hookups. Gas electric water heater here, 6 gallons. Freshwater tank fill up, freshwater drain and low point water drains, along with one of your dumps here. You have a secondary dump for the front kitchen area up there. Outside shower and city water hookups. Light on this side. More storage. This customer purchased Hitch. Refrigerator access panels for maintenance. Be sure to check out CouchesRVNation.com, one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country. They will definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV. Walking up into the coach here. They do a little weight sticker here on the door. Tells you this camper is 4,748 pounds the way it sits. Back here in the back you have your electric breakers with your fuses also. Got a nice little panel here. It's got some lighting switches, water heater, gas and electric switches, grab handle switch. That little grab handle outside has a light in it. Pretty cool. Water pump, awning in and out buttons, and awning light buttons here, along with your monitoring panel here for your tanks and your battery. Couple dresser drawers here. Full extending ball bearing drawer guides. Overhead cabinets. It's got a little blue LED backlight in the headboard up there, the window valance I mean. And there's a light under there too. Couple USB chargers. Light switches. Fire extinguisher, heat duct. Nice little TV area here. Got a flat screen TV on a swing arm. Satellite hookups, cable / TV antenna hookup. You got your booster button here. DVD stereo system here. These are your DVD wires coming out to hook up there. Some storage. More pull-out extending ball bearing drawer guides. Two-person dinette. Table does fold down. Makes into a little bed if you wanted to. Also have a sofa that will fold out and make into a bed. Furnace controls here. Propane leak detector down there. Quite a bit of overhead cabinetry in the coach. Inside speakers. Air conditioner here is got the controls right up there. Standard microwave. Nice little blue lighting around the edging on the countertop here. Really nice solid surface countertop too. Has the undermount stainless sink, pull out sprayer faucet. You've got the electric outlet over there. Nice little ledge around here, but it's pretty cool. Nice big view looking out the front section here. You've got some overhead storage up here if you want to store some stuff up there. Two burner glass stovetop. All vinyl floor throughout. It's got a nice look to the floor. And you do have the Dometic gas and electric refrigerator. Basically they do a refrigerator part on bottom, freezer on top. But this does work on propane or electricity, unlike the residential style. Got some storage area up here if you wanted to put some stuff up there. The bathroom area here, foot flush toilet. Nice little corner shower here. Got a vent with a little fan up there, skylight. Again, nice solid countertop. Undermount sink. Wood medicine cabinet. Storage below here. Again, just a quick video on the Terry Classic V22. Again, Ray with Couches RV Nation here. If you have any questions, be sure to give me a call. Toll-free number 888-417-8299. My extension's 203. If you're looking to purchase, give me a call.